Hello, pharmacy tech students. Welcome back. Today, we're going to be doing some basic math that will help you with your pharmacy calculations. Here's a question that says, how many cc's are in 1 milliliters? Do you know the answer to this? When you see cc's, it's pretty much the same thing as milliliters. So the answer is 1. Okay. Next question says, how many milliliters are in 1 teaspoon? Do you know the answer to this? The answer is 5. This is something you should know for your tests. 5 milliliters equals 1 teaspoon. TSP equals teaspoon. Okay. All right, moving on to the next question. How many milliliters are in 1 tablespoon? Do you know the answer to that? TBSP stands for tablespoon. The answer is 15. 15 mLs equals 1 tablespoon. Okay. Now, another question is, how many mLs are in 1 ounce? Do you know that? The answer is 30. 30 mLs equals 1 ounce. And this is 1 fluid ounce. Okay. Moving on to the next question. How many mLs are in 1 pint? Do you know the answer to this? The answer is 480 mLs equals 1 fluid pint. Okay. Next question. How many mLs are in 1 gallon? Do you know the answer to this? The answer is 3,785 mLs equals 1 gallon. An easy way to remember this is also that 1 gallon is approximately 4,000 mLs. If you round up, that number is easier to remember. Okay. Okay. Moving on. How many teaspoons in 1 tablespoons? The answer is 3. Did you get that right? Moving on to the next question. How many tablespoons in 1 fluid ounce? Do you know the answer? The answer is 2. Okay. Next question. How many fluid ounce in 1 pint? Do you know the answer? The answer is 16 ounce. 16 ounce make 1 pint. Next question. How many pints in 1 quart? The answer is 2. And if you're in a test and you can't remember, you can also convert them to mLs and go backwards. Next question. How many quarts in a gallon? The answer is 4. Okay. Next question. How many mLs in 1 liter? The answer is 1,000. 1,000 mLs equals 1 liter. These are some basic conversions that we should know for the tests. Okay. Moving on. How many grams are in 1 kilogram? The answer is 1,000. 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Always remember, kilo stands for 1,000 grams or 1,000. Next, how many milligrams in 1 gram? Okay, this is a very important one to know. And the answer is 1,000. 1,000 milligrams equals 1 gram. 1 gm or 1 gram. Okay, these are some basic conversions that are necessary for pharmacy calculations. Next question. How many micrograms in 1 milligram? The answer is 1,000. 1,000 micrograms equals 1 milligram. Next question. How many pounds in 1 kilogram? The answer is 2.2. 2.2 pounds equals 1 kilogram. Next question. How many grams in 1 pound? The answer is 454. We have 454 grams in 1 pound. Next question. how many grams in 1 ounce? The answer is 28.35, or approximately 30 grams would be acceptable to round up, equals 1 ounce. And grams, this is weight, not to be confused with 1 fluid ounce. Okay? All right. We have more basic conversions to know. How many ounces in 1 pound? And this is asking for weight. How many ounces of weight in 1 pound? The answer is 16. You should know that. 16 ounces equals 1 pound of weight. Okay? 16. Next question. If you see the symbol SS, what does that mean? That stands for 1/2. If you see the symbol I, if you're asked to dispense I, that stands for 1, just the number 1. If you see number V in Roman numerals, that stands for 5. If you see X, what does that stand for? Do you know? That stands for 10. And if you see dispense L, that stands for 50. Bonus question. If you see XX, what quantity would that stand for? Do you know? That stands for 2 of the X. So that would be 20. Hopefully you like these videos. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.